We'll do a little walkthrough on my 66 Buick Grand Sport, 462, big block. Do a little walk underneath it and see what's done. The big block is it's got aluminum stage 2 heads, fuel injected, roller rockers, big cam. In the front end, I've got upper and lower tubular A-arms, fully adjustable end links, coilover shocks, wheelwood disc brakes, headers, they're all wrapped, turbo 400 trans, hooked to a gear vendor's overdrive underdrive unit, big old beefy aluminum drive shaft. Going to the rear, I just installed a brand new Ford 9-inch rear end with Richmond Grip Pro spiral gear posi, Daytona pinion support. It's also got fully adjustable upper and lower trailing arms, both sides, and coilover shocks. Full 3-inch exhaust system with turbo mufflers, big sway bar. Everything on this thing is new. So we'll be putting it on the road here in a day or so. Got to get it up to the alignment shop, get everything tuned in on the suspension, and then we're off to the races.